Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of human psychology, relationships, and intimacy. Whether you're looking for insights into how attraction works, or you simply want to understand the deeper layers of relationships, you're in the right place. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into a topic that's bound to grab your attention, especially if you've ever wondered about the subtle signals of attraction 5 signs that a woman is urgently craving intimacy. Now, these signs aren't always easy to pick up on, especially if you're not familiar with the unspoken cues that can sometimes speak louder than W. Understanding these behaviors can be crucial, especially when navigating the complex world of attraction, desire, and intimacy. And let's face it, human connection can be difficult to decode, but with the right knowledge, you can move forward with more confidence and understanding. So let's break it down. One of the most telling signs that a woman is urgently wanting to have sex is her body language. It's like the secret language of attraction. And believe me, it speaks volumes. Our bodies communicate without words, and sometimes it says more than we think. When a woman is interested in intimacy, she may subtly close the physical gap between you. She'll lean in closer when you talk, finding ways to subtly touch your arm, your leg, or maybe even your hand. Pay attention to those little moments of closeness if she's looking for excuses to be near you. Well, that's not by chance. Proximity and touch are unconscious ways of signaling interest. Now, here's a big one. When she touches you, it's often more playful than casual. Light teasing touches on the arm, shoulder, or even knee. These are strong indicators of sexual interest. When a woman does this frequently, she's testing the waters to see how you'll respond. This is her way of giving you the green light to reciprocate. If you're getting these touches, don't ignore them. They mean something. Next up, the look. You know, the one it's hard to describe but possible to miss. Once you see it, it's that combination of direct eye contact, a sultry smile, and a lingering gaze that seems to communicate desire without a single word being spoken. When a woman maintains eye contact with you for longer than usual, especially when there's potential for intimacy, this is a sign that she's interested. Eye contact is an incredibly powerful tool in the dance of attraction. It creates a connection, draws you in, and tells you, hey, I'm comfortable here, and I'm paying attention to you. And if you notice her eyes quickly sweep over your body, starting at your face and then moving downwards before returning to eye contact, that's her checking you out. It's subtle, but if you catch it, you'll know exactly what she's eyeing. Thinking sign number 3, the lingering smile. A smile is one of the most universal signs of attraction, but when a woman smiles, especially if it's paired with direct eye contact, there's something more to it. It's a subtle way of expressing interest and giving you an invitation to take things further. If her smile carries a warmth, maybe even a hint of sensuality, it's a pretty strong signal that she's thinking about you in a more intimate way. A smile like that is an invitation to move closer, to make your next move. It's her way of showing you she's not just being polite, she's interested in more. Now, let's talk about something that can often feel like a big shift in the conversation. Sexual topics. When a woman starts bringing up sexual subjects in casual conversations, it's often a way of testing the waters. She wants to see how comfortable you are with the subject, how open you are to discussing intimate matters she might casually mention, something about attraction, or even make a joke with sexual undertones. Or maybe she brings up past experiences and shares a little too much about her own history just to see how you'll react if this conversation naturally takes a turn towards sexual topics. It's not accidental. It's a signal that she's open to moving things to the next level. And let's not forget double entendre, those clever phrases with a suggestive meaning behind them. If your conversations are becoming filled with flirty banter and playful teasing, it's likely she's trying to gauge your reaction and build that sexual tension. Be aware this is her way of seeing if you'll respond to her subtle advances. Finally, let's talk about the most obvious sign: seductive behavior. If a woman is urgently craving intimacy, she might start displaying more overtly seductive behavior. This can manifest in various ways, from the way she dresses to how she moves around you. If you notice that her clothing is more provocative than usual, lower necklines, shorter skirts, or clothing that hugs her curves, she's deliberately drawing your attention to her physical features. She's making a choice to highlight the body. She's hoping you'll notice now if she starts using her lips and eyes in a more flirtatious way, biting her lip while making eye contact, or giving you that sultry bedroom eyes look. That's a clear sign that she wants you to notice her. These actions are powerful signals of sexual interest designed to capture your attention in a way words simply can't. And finally, when a woman starts making direct moves, suggesting the two of you leave a public place to go somewhere more private, well, that's a pretty strong indicator that she's ready to take things to a more physical level. It's her way of inviting you to move things forward. So, there you have it, 5 signs that a woman might be urgently craving intimacy. But remember, understanding these signals isn't just about paying attention to the cues, it's about respecting them. Attraction and desire can be complex. And what might seem like a clear sign can sometimes just be a test of comfort. And trust the key to interpreting these signals is to be aware, responsive, and above all, respectful. If you notice these signs, take your time, don't rush things, let the connection grow naturally, and always ensure that there's mutual understanding and respect. If this video helped shed some light on this topic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more insights into relationships, attraction, and intimacy. And if you've experienced any of these signs in your own life, whether you've noticed them from a woman or have been on the receiving end, we'd love to hear your story in the comments below. How did you navigate it? What did you learn from the experience? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.